to make this video, and I've just been like staring at it for a while, so I'm just gonna do it. So solving right triangles. In a triangle, you have 3 angles and 3 sides. So you have your 3 angles, right? Angle, 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 and then you have 3 sides. Side, side, side. So we want to figure out what these 3 things are. So there's 3 angles, and then there's 3 sides. Oh, I did the wrong color. Okay, so the angles are yellow, and then the sides are blue. Let's do the trig first, and then we can come back and fill this thing out. So let's label this. Here's your angle. This is your hypotenuse. This is your adjacent. This is your opposite. So we're just doing trig. And we want to find the adjacent. So adjacent and opposite, that's tangent. Adjacent, opposite. So tangent of theta equals opposite over adjacent. So it's tangent, why did I zoom in so soon? Tangent of 32 equals opposite is 25. Adjacent, let's just make it A. So this is the case where you can shortcut this. I'm going to switch these two. So A equals 25 over tangent 32. Okay, so 25 divided by tangent 32 is 40.0. 40.0. So now we want the hypotenuse. So let's do, right, this is 40. Let's use that 40 this time. So cosine of theta equals 40. No, wait. I guess I have to do that. Yeah, okay, whatever. 40 over h. So cosine of 32. Cosine of 32 equals, you don't have to use that 40. If you use the 25, you can use sine. I thought I was going to do something else, but it didn't. So it's just actually going to be the same like this other one. H equals 40 over cosine 32. So that's going to be 40 over cosine 32. 47.2. So this is 47.2. So there we go. 47.2, 40, and 25 are the 3 sides. The angles, remember angles add up to 180. So 180 minus 90 is 90. Minus 32 is, that's an 8. That's a 5, 58. So this other angle is 58. So 32, 58, 90 are the 3 angles. Alright. You don't always have to use trig. So like on this one, you can do the Pythagorean theorem. So c equals the square root of 15 squared plus 8 squared. So this is going to be c equals 17. So there's that side there, just real quick. So that's the side. So your 3 sides are 8, 15, and 17. Your angles, okay, so let's do this angle. So this is the angle, this is your adjacent, that's your opposite, that's your hypotenuse. So let's use sine. Sine is OH. So for the angle, the inverse sine of O is 8, H is 17. So I'm going to punch this in the calculator. Inverse sine of 8 over 17 is 28. So theta equals 28. So here we go. That's 28. So you've got 90, 28, and you know the third one has to add up to 180, but just for funsies, I'm going to do it this way. Tangent inverse of, so now we're over here. So this is the opposite, this is the adjacent of the green one. 15 over 8. $62. Does that make sense? Yes, it does, because they add up to 180. So that one's 62. This is solving right triangles. So you can get all 6 pieces of information that way.